Okay, here's an example of combined variation. This one says y varies jointly with the square root of a and b, and inversely with c squared. If y is 40, when a is 25, b is 4, c is 3, the question is find y when a is 1, b is 5, and c is 1 half. Alright, so we start with writing down the type of variation. There's a combination of different types of variation. So joint variation means for the first quantity to vary directly with two other quantities. So you want to multiply all the way across your constant of proportionality times the first quantity, square root a, and that second quantity, b. Inversely means to divide by that next quantity, c squared. Alright, so in general, that's what our combined variation looks like. Now, let's go ahead and plug in this observed condition and we can figure out what our constant is. Y is 40. Right, we don't know our constant. A was 25. Plug that in the square root. B is 4. And C is 3. So it's going to be 3 squared. Alright, let's see where we are. This is 40 is equal to k. Square root of 25 is 5 times 4. That'll be 20 on top. And 3 squared is 9 on the bottom. Solving for k. Let's multiply by 9. Whoops, I should put the 20 first. That's okay. And now divide by 20 to see what we get for k, 18. Alright. Our constant of proportionality is 18. So again, that's not the answer. We've got to rewrite the problem with that k plugged in. So we'll have y equals 18 square root a times b, divide everything by c squared. Now the question is, we want to find y when a is 1, b is 5, c is 1 half. So let's plug all those in. Y equals 18 square root of 1, b is 5, and c is 1 half squared. Alright, totally plug all this in your calculator and you will get that y should be 360. Alright, that's combined variation, where you just have more than one type of variation. Make sure you start off with writing out that general formula for the type of variation that's given in the problem. Plug in your observed condition to find k, your constant of proportionality, then rewrite the type of variation with that constant plugged in, and then you can answer the question that they ask.